Hey there, I'm Diksha, and today I'm here to spill the beans on the skincare products that are an absolute must-have for surviving the winter season. But before we dive into it, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button for our Bebeautiful channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay in the loop with all the fantastic content we've got coming your way this season. The first winter skincare essential I swear by is the Lakme Micellar Water Makeup Remover. It's like a magic eraser for makeup, effortlessly whisking away 5 layers with a single swipe. Those tiny magnetic micelles dive deep into your pores, capturing stubborn impurities like makeup, dirt, and pollutants. The next product that I can't get enough of, the Pond's Hydrolite Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gel Face Wash. This face wash is all about being mild, gentle, and non-drying. Infused with one of my all-time favorite ingredients, hyaluronic acid, it effectively cleanses the skin without robbing it of its precious moisture. The third product is the simple Protect and Glow Vitamin C Moisturizing Glow Gel. It contains yuzu lemon, ginger, and pentavitin that are proven to give 72 hours long hydration for soft, smooth, bright, and glowing skin. With exclusive skin conditioning agents and glycerin, this glow gel provides all-day hydration to reveal brighter skin. Moving on to the third essential product, we have the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. The winter dryness can often leave your skin looking a bit lackluster, but this serum comes to the rescue. Packed with 98% niacinamide, it doesn't just stay on the surface, it instead dives deep into your skin to tackle those underlying issues that might be making your skin appear dull. The result? A bright, radiant complexion that is perfect for winter season. My skincare regimen isn't truly complete without sunscreen, and the Pond's Serum Boost Sunscreen Cream SPF 55 is my go-to choice. It's a versatile product that combines SPF protection and niacinamide C serum, delivering not only defense against UV rays, but also brightening, hydration, and even sun damage repair. Up next in the lineup is the Simple Water Boost Skin Quenching Sleeping Creme. With ingredients like pentavitin for deep hydration, panthenol for softening and smoothing, and glycerin to attract moisture like a magnet, it's a hydration powerhouse. I hope you enjoyed the video on the skincare essentials I can't survive this winter without. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more awesomeness from our Bebeautiful channel. See you in the next one. Bye!